I have here a laundry sorter. You can see it's nice and big. It's a perfect size. It's on wheels, so you can move it from room to room and take it directly to your laundry room. It has nice big bags. It has 2 pull-out drawers and a top to put things, so it's going to be perfect for all your needs. Each bag is labeled. It has dark, light, color, towels. So this is going to be perfect for me to put my dirty clothes in so I can go wash them. It's really nice and smooth, these pull-out drawers. And it's nice to be able to sort things, to be able to go wash. And you can also sort them to be folded and put away after you're done. It's super easy to open these big ones, just like this. You can see I can just drop them right down in, or you can pull it out and put them in any of the containers. And it's nice, there is a lid to help prevent dust and to help you if you want to take this off and to take it to different places. These are also really nice and big, so it's going to hold a lot of items in each of the containers. So it has nice handles to push from room to room and nice wheels to take you where it needs to go. So it's really nice to push it into my laundry room, and then I can take it with these wheels that lock it and push them into place and lock it into place. So it's really nice. There's a little top table right here that you can put things that you need to use while you're doing your laundry or whatever other supplies you may be using while you clean. And it also has a nice side pocket on the side bag right here that you can store whatever you need. So these baskets are really nice. You can see they're removable, so you can just take it right over to your wash and stick things directly in. Or if you need to get things out of your dryer or out of your wash, you can do that directly and stick things directly inside the basket. And then if you're going to hang them up or put them away, you can just slip it back in and take it to your destination that you want to put it. So these bigger laundry baskets are also removable, which is really handy if you want me to take it somewhere with you, or if you just want to remove it for any reason at all, you can, and then just Velcro it back together. And it's handy because it does have handles on the sides for you to carry it. So once you get it out, you can see you can still use the lid to close it if you would like. And you have 2 handles on the side. So this laundry cart is not only suitable for large spaces, it's also suitable for smaller spaces. You can see I have a really small laundry room that's also with a bathroom, and it works perfectly. I can still get it in and out to do my laundry, and is helpful to be able to sort things, especially in a small space that I have. It's going to be really helpful, and they're really easy to use, so it's going to be perfect for anybody that's looking for a nice laundry sorter. It's really handy to have and really easy to use.